Hello children, I am Vaishali madam. Let us begin with our new lesson of grammar, that is number 6, nouns, common and proper. So we are going to look into detail about the nouns. So just to recap, in the previous lesson we have learned that a noun is a name of any person, place, animal or thing. So now let us move further. So now coming to page number 12, lesson 6. A exercise says compare these two sentences. So there are two sentences are given and we're going to study about it. Number 1 is the girl entered the room. And number 2 is Anu entered the room. So now these two sentences are different. In the first sentence, it may be any girl who entered the room. It may be Mary, Ritu, Manjit or any other girl. But the second sentence tells us about a particular girl whose name is Anu. So the second sentence is very specific, and the word Anu that is used, the name of the girl, that is the proper noun. Okay. And in the previous sentence when it was said the girl, that is girl is a common noun. Let us now try to understand common nouns and proper nouns more clearly. Now we'll look into few examples that are given. Boy is a common noun, but John is a proper noun. So when we say boy, it can be any boy. It can be John, it can be Ram, it can be Sham, it can be any other boy. We have not specified. But when we say John, then we are just talking about a particular child whose name is John, right? Next is city. City is a common noun, but Agra is a proper noun. So when we talk about city, it can be any city, right? It can be Baroda, it can be Bhopal. But when we say Agra, we are talking about a specific city whose name is Agra, which has the wonderful monument, that is Taj Mahal. You know that? It's amongst the 7 wonders of the world. Okay. Coming to the next example, country. Country is a common noun. It can be any country, it can be your own country, it can be your neighboring country. But when we talk about India, it is a proper noun. We are talking about a specific country, our own country, that is India. So now you must be clear. Common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are the names given to persons, animals, places or things which are of the same kind. Whereas proper nouns are the names of particular persons, animals, places or things. So now it is clear, and then every time we have to remember that proper noun will begin with a capital letter. So now exercise B is, here are some more examples of common and proper noun. Man and woman. Sachin Tendulkar, Enid Belton, Amir Khan, they are the name of specific person. But when we say man and woman, that is common. But when we take the specific names, it is proper noun. Coming to the next, countries. Countries is common noun. But India, Japan, Sri Lanka, the name of specific countries. So they are proper noun. Towns and cities. When we say towns and cities, it is common noun. But Patna, Nagpur, Jaipur, Bhopal, so they are talking about a particular city, right? Similarly, coming to the rivers. When we say rivers, rivers are common noun. But we say Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri, Gomti, they are the name of rivers, specific rivers. And now you will find out what is the name of the river that flows in your own city. Then the next is days and months. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they are specific days. Similarly, January, July, what is the current month? August, they are the proper months, right? When we are talking about, when we are taking the names of that particular month. Coming to newspaper. Newspaper is common noun, but when we specify it with the names like the Times of India, the Indian Express, you may name few more, right? So they are common nouns. Then the next is buildings. There are many buildings. We say just buildings, then it is common noun. But when we say the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, then they are proper noun. Then books. Books is again common noun, but A Tale of Two Cities, Alice in Wonderland. So when we are giving the names, it is proper noun. Again the next is goods. What is goods? Things. Okay. So goods are, yes, common noun. But when we say specific, television, pencil, mobiles, comb, so they are proper noun. Okay. Then coming to the next page. Next page is an exercise. Page number 13, exercise C. Column A gives a list of 8 common nouns, whereas column B gives a list of 8 proper nouns. So we are going to match by drawing the lines. So now one is done for us. Country, Japan. City, so what is city amongst this? Gateway of India, Shikhar Dhawan. No, this is a monument. This is name of a cricketer. This is a book, Ramayana. Then Tokyo, yes, Tokyo is the name of a city. So we can draw a line and take it to Tokyo. So this drawing lines is only till the textbook. In the notebook, how you are going to write, I am going to tell it to you. Then again, building. So the first option, Gateway of India. See, Gateway of India is the famous monument of India. Cricketer, yes, Shikhar Dhawan is a cricketer. So you heard the news about Dhoni? Yes? Yes, the previous evening, right. Then number 5, that is car. Yes, what is example? Now what is left? Ramayana. No, it is not a car. Then Nanda Devi, Chevrolet. Yes. You remember the ad? I like the song. Jab chale Chevrolet. Then the next is river. So what is a river? What is left? Ramayana, Nanda Devi and Godavari. Godavari is the name of the river. It is amongst the pious river of India. Then book. Yes, now finally we got book. Ramayana is the book, mythological book. Then mountain peak. What is left now? Nanda Devi. But in your notebook, you are not going to match like this. Okay, you are going to write common noun, proper noun, country, and again here only you are going to write the correct answer. I will show it to you how you are going to proceed about it, right? Now coming to D. Draw a single line under the common noun and double line under the proper noun. So now we are clear with what are common nouns and proper nouns. We have had enough of examples, right? So now let us proceed with the exercise. Single line for common noun and double line for proper noun. Instead of double line, we can do circle. Yeah. So because lines are going to confuse us. So circle the proper noun. So we are going to underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. Underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. Number 1. The Alps is the highest mountain in Europe. So this is the name of the mountains. So this is proper noun. Highest mountain. Mountain is a common noun. So underline. In Europe. So Europe is a proper noun. Understood? So this is the way we are going to do this exercise. Coming to the next. Innova is a very good car. It is produced by Toyota. So this is the name of the car. So again put a circle. It is a very good car. Car is a common noun. So underline. It is produced by Toyota. So again put a circle. See, now whenever there is proper noun, it will start with capital letter. Can you find out? So this is at the beginning of the sentence. Apart from that, it is also proper noun. So it is in capital letter. This one, this one, this one. Okay. And the common noun will be in the normal case. Then coming to the next. Number 3. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. So Gandhinagar is proper noun. Capital is common noun. And again Gujarat is proper noun. Okay. So again you can check. Proper noun are in capital. Coming to the 4th one. Akbar was the greatest emperor amongst the Mughals. Akbar, it is the name of the emperor. Greatest emperor, it is a common noun. And Mughals is again a proper noun. Okay. See, 4 I have done. Now the rest 4 I want you all to try, and I'll get back to you with the correct answers. Okay. Now coming to exercise E. Circle the letters that should be capital. So when the letter should be capital, when it is at the beginning of the sentence, it should start with the capital letter. That is what we have learned in lesson number 2, the sentences, right? And then when it is a name of any particular person, place, animal or thing, that is the proper noun, it should again be in capital letters. Okay. So now let us try to find out. Number 1 is Shreya Ghoshal has sung some very sweet songs. So Shreya Ghoshal is the name of the singer. So what you can do is you can circle the proper noun, and then you know that this should start with capital, yes, capital letter. So in the notebook you will write this sentence, you will make a circle, then underline it, and then again you will rewrite it in the correct form, right? Number 2, Agra was the capital of the Mughals. So Agra is the name of a city, so again put a circle, was the capital of the Mughals. So Mughals is again, yeah, proper noun, so again it is going to be in capital. Okay. Sri Rabindranath Tagore wrote the Gitanjali. So here is a name that should begin with capital letter. So this is proper noun, and this is the name of the book that he has written, Gitanjali. So Sri Rabindranath Tagore wrote the Gitanjali. So this both are going to be in capital. Here S, then R, then T, and then G. You know who is Rabindranath Tagore? Have you heard about him? Can you just tell me what he has written for you all? That you all like singing, you enjoy singing. Just try to find out. Then coming to the next. Number 4. Shri A.S. Khurana is the principal of DAV Public School. So here this is proper noun. Shri A.S. Khurana is the name of the principal. And DAV Public School is the name of the school, like your BHS school. So here S is going to be capital, A, S, K, all are in capital, and then DAV capital, 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 P capital, S capital. Okay. Now number 5, 6, 7, 8, I want you all to try it on your own. You have to read the sentence, identify the proper noun, circle them, and then that are going to begin in capital letters. Okay, and I'm going to get back to you with the correct answers. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Happy learning.